You know, I heard dreams are memories. Hey dear unique, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. I heard dreams are memories. What do you think of it? I don't know what do you think about dreams, about this, but let's categorize it in general. Dreams are a combination of our past memories, our feelings, and even predictions of future events. You know, our brain processes information and memories when we sleep. You know, it strengthens the information that it feels useful and weakens non-useful ones. Oh. And you know, the emotional parts become more active in sleep. But let me tell you this. You cannot interpret your dreams anywhere because dreams are for you. You know, your dreams, your being, your experiences, your dreams have messages for you. Okay? And you should not tell about your dreams. I mean, you should know that under no circumstances you should not explain your dreams to people you do not trust. It's so important. And you should pay attention to your dreams, to everything you remember from your dreams, you know? And you should write them down in a notebook and somewhere because it's so important. After a while, when you go back and read your dreams, you will be surprised at how many messages there are in your dreams for you. Yeah. And about the decisions you need to make for yourself, for your future, and especially even dreams informing you about people in your life. It's so important. So be very careful and vigilant. Yeah. And always remember, there is only one you, and you are so special. Your dreams are too special. Write them down in a notebook somewhere. Okay? Pay attention to your dreams and remember anything you can remember from your dreams. It can help you in your life, in your path, your journey. Okay? So take care of yourself and like this video, subscribe to my channel, write a comment for me and share this video. Okay? Thank you so much. And always remember, there is only one you. you cannot take someone else's place, and also no one can take your place too. Amira, Rani, bye. Oh.